Hello friends, I have created a new add-on that makes it easy to generate a base face with the eyes, nose and lips fitting using a simple manual inputs. That output also includes masking options so you can isolate any facial part and sculpt the remaining areas easily. Let's see a quick demo on the add-on. I will provide the download link for this add-on at the end of the video. Here, I have the add-on zip which I am installing into my Blender environment. You can generate a ready to sculpt base face in just 5 minutes. Click on the face mesh displayed on the side nav and select a front view image which we are going to use to generate a base face. It will take few seconds to make the workspace ready. Choose the camera view and click next. You can see the plots. Also referring the side view image, place the plots to the eyes. You can see I am selecting the plot and pressing G to move them and placing it in its position, and I am just clicking the mouse so the plots are placed correctly. After placing the plots, click next. It's time to mark the eyelids. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, this is nose plotting. Nose plotting is very important. There are many types of nose. For now, in my base face, I am using only one nose. In future, I will upgrade it to display many nose types. Plot the nodes as shown in the image and click next to continue. Also, I have made some plots for nose holes, so make sure you follow it. Click next. Let's plot the lips. I have also coded to plot the open lips, but the image is not yet ready. In next update, I will update how to plot the open lips so you can use it as well. I am making the teeth ready so while 3D printing it will give a good output. Plot the ears. Actually, ears plotting are important from side view, but for the height of the ears, I have used some plottings as reference. For marking face plots, I am starting from chin and straight to eyes right side because I have used these 3 points as main points and other points near the jaws and heads as helper points. This will take few minutes so it can generate all the marking boundaries for the parts. Yeah, it's really quick. I didn't expect this. Now you can go to sculpt mode or edit mode and drag these markings. I am dragging the eyelids and do the same for the right eyelids as well. Yeah, that's good and natural. Actually, I didn't disturb the eyes because they already look good. I'm giving a light touch for the nose. As I told already, you just remember that I am working on to bring a different nose types, and in future updates it will be made live. And here comes the lips. Also, the open lips is in working phase. I am sculpting the teeth. In future, I will make it live as well. Just drag and place a line to the lips. Good. And let's make some rough edit to the face outline. It's already fit, but let's make it somewhat okay. You can see I haven't speeded up this video anywhere to let you know that how I am using this add-on for generating a base face. I am saving a copy, so moving to next steps won't be affected, and there will be a copy always. And this step will take some time because your base face will be generating from the boundaries you have gave. Let's see how long it's taking. I think it should take up to 1 minute 30 seconds. Yeah, it's ready. Now you can see a base face is ready with correct plottings of eyes, nose and lips. I have also added the side colors and mask to it, so you can easily sculpt this with this mask, which is an additional advantage. See, I am dragging this, except the mask other places are getting affected. So, if you are interested in this add-on, you can comment in the description. Also, you can WhatsApp me if you need any additional details about this, or you wanted to know any additional features regarding this. In future, as I told many times, I will bring a different nose type, so it will be easy for you people to sculpt. Now I am working on side view. After completing the side view, I will complete lips, that is made open, showing the teeth. After doing this, I will work on different types of nose, and after that I will make eyebrows, mustache, beard, and long as for female, so it will naturally fit in the head, which will make half of the part complete. So if you are into miniature sculpting and 3D printing and selling miniatures, then you can subscribe to this channel, and you can buy this add-on given in link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. You can see I am stammering a lot while making this video because I am speaking after a long time, and in between I was using AI voices. But since many of my friends asked me to use my original voice, which is far more better than AI, and I am trying to make videos in my original voice. Also, I feel this add-on will be useful for many people, and I have kept the price of this a very low price. Also, a free trial version for limited time is available. If you are interested, give a try to this product. And once again, thank you for watching.